This is Trenchless Innovations. We're at a customer's house in Palos Heights, Illinois. We just got done applying our trenchless cast to the complete underground air duct system. Trenchless casting is a process where we apply mortar to the air ducts to give it a nice strong structure. These air ducts were heavily rusted and the customer was seeing white dust actually blowing out of the vents. So now they are nice and strong, and today we are going to seal them with our rubberized duct lining material. Okay, this is Trenchless Innovations. We're back in Palos Hills, Illinois. We just applied our first application of Duct Armor product to the underground air duct system. Duct Armor is a rubberized white material, very similar to the texture of the bottom of your gym shoe. And this is so it seals the entire system. We already applied our trenchless cast before this. This is the first of two applications. Today we're going to apply our second application. Walk over to the furnace and show you the bottom of that. Everything gets coated. Nice white coat there. Show you up a couple of these runs.